Hey traders, welcome to 𝗃𝗃𝗍𝗆's weekly Forex Forecast. First of all, we hope all of you made money last week. As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY. We will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. So all of you who are new to 𝗃𝗃𝗍𝗆's channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one, last week we said market will be in a sideways move. We've got this up wave, the corrective structure from here to here, it was completed at this top, and then we've got this drop all the way down to break this low and this low. Why these lows? These are equal lows, guys, and most of the times we have liquidity here. This is exactly what happened. Market went down, after this drop, we started this up move. I explained, guys, this pattern more than once here on our YouTube channel. Once you see double bottom or double tops, always remember we have liquidity here and here. Make sense? Now what next? For this one, we are expecting market to correct downwards for another push up. What direction we are focusing on? Upside. So we are focusing on our buy setups for DXY. So pay attention to this and pay attention to this here. Alright? This up move, this drop, this up wave. Guys, keep watching till the end. We have a lot to cover. And as per Warren Buffett, the more you learn, the more you earn. Now, those of you are asking about our mini course. The first live session, guys, will be on the 4th of April. We will explain you about financial markets and wave analysis. We will explain you about market structures, patterns, risk, money, and trade management, and about psychology. So those of you who are losing, this course is for you. On top of that, we will give you one of our strategies and explain you how to execute it in details, which means how to enter, where to put stop loss, where to put the target, and how to manage your trade. Also, guys, this will be a live session, which means you can ask questions and it will be interactive. On top of that, you will have the ability to upgrade to our 2022 Masterclass Course, which means your payment will count towards our 2022 Masterclass Course. So if you are interested, few places left. Euro dollar for this one, I hope all of you guys who trade this pair made money last week. Market dropped under these lows. After that, we've got this up wave, and then we've got this drop. So scalpers and swing traders, you must be able to make money in this drop and in this up wave as well. Now, after this up move, this structure is completed to us, and then we've got our sell setups and this drop. What next? We will wait market to give us a corrective structure upwards for another drop. We are still biased to the downside. This corrective structure, guys, it might be a small one and not a big one. How far this can go? What is the bigger picture? What is the pattern that we are looking for here for euro dollar? All of this will be covered in details by T on Sunday session. Those of you who don't know about our Sunday sessions, all the details are in the description under this video. Pound dollar, how many of you guys remember this forecast to the upside? From here we said market will be going up, this up wave will be a corrective structure similar to the previous one, and then another drop. So from here we knew market will be going up, and then a drop afterwards. Those of you who remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And guys, remember, the more you like and comment, the more you push us to give you more, and this will also help YouTube algo to show our forecast to more traders. They might need help. This is the exact way you found us. So all you need to do is to like and comment. Coming back to pound dollar. After this up wave, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up, and then this drop. We really hope all of you trade pound dollar made money with this down wave. What next? All of you are in the sell, you can take partial profits, or you move your stops into profits and let the market unfold. What next for this one? We are still biased to the downside. Before the next drop, market might go up to complete another corrective structure and then the fall. This drop, guys, it might go all the way down to break this low once more. Why this low? We do not think that pound dollar is ready to go up as yet. After this drop, another upwave will be coming, and it might be only to complete another bigger corrective structure. Now, those of you who will take the mini course will explain you guys in details the difference between minor structures, bigger structures, and the fractal nature of the market. So you will have the ability to see the next wave in advance. And here is a tip for all of you. If you get a win, stick to your plan. If you get a loss, stick to your plan. If you get streak of wins or streak of losses, stick to your plan. This is the key to succeed. Do not forget that. Aussie dollar for this one, you know that we are biased to the downside. And we have posted this chart on TradingView. So all of you are not following us on TradingView, we are posting charts there as well. So make sure to follow us on TradingView to see the next post. Coming back to Aussie dollar. This one, anytime can drop. The reason behind this drop is structure, the bigger structure is completed to us, and political pressure. So it's not only pure technical analysis. We read a lot, we explain fundamentals, macroeconomic factors, and a lot of other things behind our forecast on Sunday sessions. Anyway, for Aussie dollar, even if market push up to break this top once more, another down wave will be coming. In all the cases, we are biased to the downside. Is that clear, guys, for all of you? Dollar yen for this one, how many of you remember that we said after 29th of March, yen pairs will start to fall? This is the first drop, right? After that, market is giving us a corrective structure. For us, we are biased to the downside, and we are looking only for our sell setups. Those of you who are new, I explained the bigger picture in details last week. So those of you who missed our last forecast, go back, guys, and watch it. It's on our YouTube channel. Anyway, for dollar yen, this is ready to drop anytime. So any sell setup we get, we will go for it. Now, if markets start to correct here, for another push up, we will be looking for our sell setups again. One direction, downwards. Now let me explain you one thing here. It's totally fine to have different point of view than us. As example, if you are biased to the upside, you can look for buy setups, but you must use proper risk. It's a must, not an option. Alright, guys? If you are at the top of structure and you are looking for continuation, using proper risk is a must. Write down this tip. And by the way, guys, this is the dashboard our premium analysis service members get access to. Inside this one, they can find Sunday and Wednesday live session links and recordings. At the same time, we are updating the trades of the week and announcements inside the dashboard. So any update regarding the trades of the week or any other pairs that we see, we will put it here for you. If this sounds like something that you are interested in, all the details are in the description under this video. New Zealand dollar for this one, also this chart was posted on TradingView. And we said we are biased to the downside. All of you are in the sell, you move your stops, and let market unfold. Looks like we'll get another drop, corrective structure, another fall. Corrective structure, another fall. If that happens, guys, this will be more than 300 pips move. So pay attention to this and to Aussie dollar. If the same thing happens to Aussie dollar, do not miss the down wave. But always remember, do not over-risk and do not over-trade. By the way, since most of you are liking and commenting, Let me explain you one more thing here related to psychology. No matter what market will give you, you have to stick to your plan. Because most traders, they shift from the trading plan after big win, big loss, streak of wins, or streak of losses. Let me explain you why. Traders who get streak of wins or big win, they tend to over-risk and overtrade in the next trade. Why is that? Because they think that the next trade, it will be a winning trade. So they will start to be overconfident. And once they start to do that, they will lose big. Now, those who get big loss or streak of losses, they tend to do the same mistakes, overtrade and over-risk. Why? Because they need to break even faster. But because they are trading based on emotions, most of the times, they lose their accounts. And this is the biggest problem. This leads to big losses, and that's why you have to stick to your plan every single time, every single trade. Pound yen, also this is a yen pair, and after 29th of March, market started to drop. We've got the first down move, and market started to correct upwards. This chart also, guys, was posted on TradingView and in details, so you can check it there. Anyway, for this one, this corrective structure is completed to us, even if market will be going up to break this top once more. If that happens, we will be looking for our sell setups. Market is ready to fall. All the structures are completed to us. Some of us are already in the sell, and we are managing our trades. Which means if market will be going up, we will not lose. We will take the break even, and then we will look for our sell setups again. If market will fall from here, we are already in, and we might enter again after the next sell setup. Is that clear for all of you? We are biased to the downside, and we will be looking for our sell setups only. Once you see us, guys, biased to the downside, do not go on Monday and jump in without stop loss and just because we are saying this is going down. Behind this forecast, guys, there is a lot of hard work, a lot of analysis, and before we get in, we wait for our setups. So this is not a trade call, and we don't want any one of you to jump in. If you do that, you might get lucky once, twice, but on the third time, you will lose big and you might blame us. So always remember, what we share here is only our point of view and not trade calls. Let me give you an example. Let's say you jump in here, at this level as example. What if market will continue to the upside 2000 pips? What will you do? For us, we'll get out for break even or small loss and we will miss the up wave. This all what will happen to us. For you, if you jump in without stop loss, without knowing what you are doing, you will lose big. Make sense? I hope this is clear, guys, for all of you. Learn first and then risk your money. Yes, all for this one. You know that we're biased to the upside. This will be the first part of a big corrective structure. This is exactly what market did. After this up wave, we were waiting a corrective structure. Market went in, correction, another drop, and now we are waiting market to correct, one more push down, and then the up wave. Regardless of USA decision regarding the reserve, we are still biased to the upside. After this up wave, the fall will come. For us and based on the current structure, we are biased to the upside. If anyone took this sell, do not close your trade. Take partial profits, move the rest at break even, and let market unfold. Alright, guys, we can still see dollar up, US oil up, gold up, and yen will be pushing up as well, which means something is gonna happen. Let's hope that this is not the case. Those of you who don't know, dollar up, US oil up, gold up, and yen up means uncertainty. Gold, before we cover this one, guys, this time I'll take 3 comments and answer your questions. Those who don't know, I mentioned last time, put your questions in the comment section. I'll try to pick one or more and answer it during the next forecast. Also, you put for us what pair you'd like us to cover next week, and we will try to do it for you. Noting that all the other pairs, along with commodities, indices, cryptos, and stocks are covered on Sunday sessions. So if you have any question in your mind, put it in the comment section. I'll try to pick one and answer it next week. So, for this week, someone is asking, when yen go down, what is the best pair to sell? For us, we will be focusing on pound yen. Alright? The next comment. Yen is becoming cheap and cheaper every week. For me as a position trader, I am buying the yen every week. Well, for this one guys, here is a golden tip for all of you. No matter what type of trader you are, do not keep buying here. Alright? Once you focus on buying here, you will not lose anymore. So you have to keep buying in an uptrend, not in a downtrend. And I'm repeating that again, no matter what type of trader you are. Because if you are buying here and from this point, market dropped 1000 pips, you will not be able to handle this drawdown. Because you are tripling or quadrupling your risk here in this down wave. And this is where our golden tip came from. Never ever add to your losing position. Make sense, guys? I really hope this is helpful and you will apply this. Never ever add to your losing position. The third comment is, what is the best time frame for entering a trade? Well, there is no best time frame. Your trading style or trading system might work better on 4 hours chart and not on hourly or lower time frames, and vice versa. Now, coming back to gold, what regarding this one? All of you who trade gold, we hope you made money in this up wave. After that, we're expecting market to correct, one will push up, and we said this corrective structure, it might be a bigger one. This ended up to be an impulsive wave, so all of you get in this buy from here, you must have made money in this up wave, or you have taken out for break even. What next? Two scenarios here. First of all, we are biased to the upside, no matter what. Market can correct from here for another push up, or we might get this down wave to break this low, and then another push up. In all the cases, we are looking for our buy setups. And we can see that market will go up to break this top once more, either from these levels or from under this low. Alright guys, more details regarding this structure, and if this one of the trades of the week, all of this will be covered in details on Sunday session. And by the way guys, we have a lot of success stories. You can check them in our testimonial page on our website. And a lot of our traders, they have passed FTMO and a lot of other funded trader challenges. Dollar CAD for this one, market dropped, and now we are looking for our buy setups. Anytime market will give us a buy setup, we will take it. We are focusing on this up wave. Silver for this one, this is same as gold. If this is the end of the structure, market will correct for another push up. Or else, we'll make an ending structure here as well before the next up wave. In all the cases, the next move is toward the upside. And we will be looking for our buy setups only. Bitcoin from this one, you know that we were biased to the upside. And we said we are buyers. Market went up, it gave us a corrective structure. Up, correction. This is a clear uptrend. And we think that market will be going up more. So all of you get in the buy, you move your stops, and let market unfold. Bitcoin has more up to go. And few other coins, guys, are ready for a pump. S&P 500, for this one, I really hope guys, all of our premium analysis service members remember this trade. And I will ask our video editor to make a short for this one next week. This was a trade guys that was covered on one of our Sunday sessions. What next? Correction, another push up. We are still biased to the upside for S&P 500. So all of you are in the buy, you can take partial profits or move your stops into profits and let market unfold. With that note guys, I wish you a great trading week. You trade with care, do not over risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.